Hello everyone and welcome back for my daily analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 11th of December. Now, Brexit trade negotiations don't seem to be progressing especially well. The rhetoric has turned pretty downbeat in the last few days, and subsequently the market is beginning to factor that in. It certainly looks as though that the outlook for cable is now determining to the downside, I think. And we've seen this strong negative candle that came through on the MT4 chart yesterday, a closing breach of the support. I've been talking about sort of 33 big figure, maybe down to the 32.80 mark. Well, we started to see that level closing to the downside below 33 figure yesterday. I think that was a fairly important candle that sort of takes you to multi-week lows. And yeah, I just see this as a topping pattern now. You could argue it's a head and shoulders top, and if I zoom in here, you might be able to see it a little bit clearer. It's not a sort of smashing between the eyes head and shoulders top, but I think it is a topping pattern that you would measure the downside projection from that reaction high of 35.40, downside from 33 big figure there or thereabouts. Sort of takes you back to the 31 big figure mark area, and it's interesting enough that is pretty much bang on around about that support of the reaction low that we saw back in November. So I think a corrective move back towards the bottom of the trend channel could be seen. It'll be very interesting to see how the market responds over the weekend into Monday morning. There are more talks on seemingly on this Brexit trade deal over the weekend, and again another soft slash hard deadline is set for Sunday. So maybe we get a decision over the weekend, but is it going to be the decision? That's the question. How does the market really play this? Because ultimately Brexit is only done and dusted on this trade deal at the end of December, 31st of December. So that is the absolute deadline for when the UK leaves the transition period, with or without a trade deal. And subsequently, the market, I think, will still be edging negatively if there is no deal, rather than decisively lower, maybe, on the hope that perhaps something could still be pulled out of the bag. But it'll be interesting to see how it plays out. But anyway, trading cable is going to be, I think, a little bit increasingly negative to the downside. I think we can see that through this is the 4-hour chart. We've started to trade consistently, so there or thereabouts underneath 33 big figure. You've got more corrective configuration on momentum, although not decisively so. Hourly chart, similar as a sort of a negative bias rather than a decisive move. And I think that what we're sort of edging towards is a retest of yesterday's low, which was 32.45, and then 32.25 is the key low, I think, and then I think decisively below that you really are looking back in towards 31 figure. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.